Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Saminado Family. So today guys, I will discuss to you a different job opportunities dito sa Canada through the website of Work Abroad. So, etong mga job opportunities na ito is specific na kalagay yung magkano yung sahod mo dito sa Canada, anong province dito sa Canada, what are the job responsibilities, and of course, ano yung agency na pwede mong puntahan na mayroon ditong partnership sa mga company na indicated sa job posting. Alright? But before that, we would like to say thank you so much to all our new subscribers. Salamat po sa pag-subscribe. And sa mga viewers na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please consider to subscribe our YouTube channel, Saminado Family. Hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga incoming naming vlogs. And if you learn something about this topic for today, don't forget to click like button. And you can comment below then guys if you have a question about this topic. Alright, so right now I will discuss a step-by-step procedure on how to navigate the job opportunities na sinasabi ko sa inyo through this website. Stay tuned guys and we will start right now. So yun guys, pupunta tayo dito sa website na yan and then workabroad.ph and then search natin yung job by country. So makikita na natin dyan, there's a lot of country. So ang isi-select natin guys is job opportunities dito sa Canada. Yan guys, so select natin yung Canada. Okay, and then after that, ito yung magdi-display. So right now, there's a lot, 21 job opportunities guys, yung hiring nila dito sa Canada. So, yan. May mga number of vacancy, makikita nyo dyan, katulad ng heavy duty truck mechanic. So, may job ID sila 174. Ilan yung kailangan nila, nakalagay yan dyan. And then, fresh brake operator, kailangan nila ng 3. Specific, nakalagay dyan guys, yung highlighted or written ng blue, yan ang mga recruitment agency. So, ayan, ang dami. Heavy equipment mechanic, heavy truck mechanic. So, under first dynamic personnel yung agency nila. Heavy duty truck mechanic, kailangan nila ng 10. So, may nakalagay dyan na apply now, kulay green. So, dyan yung i-click. And then, magpuproceed nyo sa mga processing natin. So, yan. CNC machinist, heavy equipment mechanic, mining. So, 5 yung kailangan nila guys. Okay? So, number 2 naman, yung hindi kasi nakakaya ng isa. So, pwede natin mapuntahan yan. So, ito. Driller operator, auto body repair. So, yan. 5. Aid and laborer. Yan. Diesel car mechanic. Kailangan din nila. Ayan guys, ang dami. More on Oman International Manpower and First Dynamic Personnel yung mga agency para dito sa mga ganitong job opportunities. So nakalagay din dyan, apply until, yung date, kung kailan sila, hanggang kailan sila nag-accept ng application. So karamihan nakalagay din dyan kung doon sa preview, makikita mo kung ilang working experience, years of working experience, okay? So, ayan, kailangan din nila guys ng 20 emergency nurses. Oman Field International Manpower. So, hanggang bukas, April 3, nag-a-acquire sila ng applicant or tumatanggap sila ng applicant, okay? So, etong mga ganyang job opportunities guys, pwede nyong i-try na mag-apply. So, pwede rin na makita nyo yun dyan kung within Metro Manila kayo. So, click nyo yan, yan ang lalabas. Okay? So, ayan guys, try natin mag-open ng isa. Yan, emergency nurses, under ng Oman Field Agency yan. Sahod niya 6,140 to 6,142 Canadian dollar per month sa province of Regina. So, naka-indicate yan kung ano yung job description. And of course, it's very important yung job qualification. I-double check nyo yan guys. Kung pasok kayo dyan sa mga qualification nila, you can apply to this job opportunities. So, the best thing here is nakalagay din dyan kung sino yung employer nyo. And may license number yan under sa Department of Migrant Workers. Okay? Ayun guys, try tayo ng another one is heavy duty truck mechanic. So sa Quebec, the First Dynamic Agency, 21.30 per hour. They accept applicant until April 24. So iyan po yung job description and qualification nila, minimum of 5 years working experience. Candidate must have diploma, vocational diploma, and naka-indicate din dyan yung kung sino yung employer nyo. So this one is sa Quebec province in Canada. Okay? So guys, yun yung mga job opportunities na diniscuss ko sa inyo and yung mga specific recruitment agencies sa Pilipinas. For me, I suggest na you can apply through this job opportunities by recruitment agency. Wala po itong placement fee and 100% legit, I mean. So, I hope na nakatulong ito sa inyo and lalo na sa mga kababayan natin ng may ganitong working experience na pwedeng maging way sa inyo para makapunta dito sa Canada as temporary foreign workers. So, that's all for today's and see you in the next vlog. Bye for now!